This 2022 Cadillac CT5 is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Cadillac is powered by C.D.J.R rear-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas 2.0 engine, and has 21,960 miles. Experience luxury and performance with our 2022 Cadillac CT5. Your dream car awaits. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.